Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I want to teach you how to create an Admob account. Now let's just say you search on Google. You search for you want to create Admob account. You just search for Admob. As you search for Admob, it will take you to this page. You click on it. As you click on it, it will now, once you see this page, you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will take you to this point. Now sometimes it might ask you to enter your phone number, like to enter your password to verify if it is you. So once you enter your password and verify, like trying to log in, because Admob is very sensitive, so they want to know if you are the real owner of the account. So what you are going to do is this. Once you come to this page, you select your country. Now I'm in Nigeria, so I will search for Nigeria. Just click on end so that it will take me to Nigeria. So I will search for my country. Let's look for Nigeria. So here's Nigeria. Now my time zone is Lagos. So now I need to select currency. The only option for me is US dollar. So I will just click on it. I select my country, my time zone, and the currency. So what I need to do now is to click on I have read the condition. If you want to go through to read the terms and condition, you are free. So you click on create Admob account. So once you create an Admob account, what you are going to do is that all this you can check yes or no, whatever, anyhow you want it. Then you click on continue to Admob. So at this point, your account has been created. But there's one thing that is remaining. You need to add payment information, payment address before it will be approved. So for you to do that, once it takes you to the home page, what you are going to do is this. Let's just wait for it. So at this point now, it's not yet done. So you click on get started. So let's just wait a while. My internet connection is somehow slow. So let's wait for it. It's coming up. So as you click on get started, it will prompt you to create an app, because you must have an app before you proceed to do any other thing. So due to my internet connection, that's why it's somehow slow. So if your app is already on Play Store, you are going to choose whether Android or iOS. Now I'm creating it for Android, and you now choose whether it's on Play Store or not. So now my app is not yet on Play Store, so I'll click on continue. So it will ask me to enter my app name. Let me just enter as Caro Gold. Then click on add app. So you can see that it's being created. So once your app has been created, now you click on done. So at this point now, it's normal that you need to create some ad units. Now I will advise you that let's just go to the home page, and because your app now, your account need to be approved. Even though you have ad units, if you don't add this payment information, your account won't be approved. So what you do is that you come to this payment information, click on it. So it will ask you to submit your payment information, because without this they will not allow you, they won't approve your account. So let's just wait for this page to come up. It's just loading. The payment information is just name and the address. So let me just use some address. So what I will do is that I need a postal code. So I'll just search for Lagos postal code. So let me just search for the full list of postal codes so that I'll be able to get the address according to the way it is. Now let's just say I'm staying at Surele and the postal code is that. So I'll just copy this name. I'll just copy it, come to this point. I'll name it as a town and city. The address, I'll just name it as number 2. Then the next thing is that I'll come here and copy the postal code. Just copy it. Then come to the Admob account again and paste it here. Then the states, I'll just say Lagos State. Then every other thing can remain the way it is. So once you have this, you click on submit and wait for it. So once your payment information has been submitted, it will take you 6 hours for your account to be approved. I think the network is somehow bad. So my payment information has been submitted. So what I'll do, I'll now come to the home page. So now the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to create, it will show that your account is being verified, because once you have submitted the payment information, before you will see this message here, then it will take at least 6 hours for your account to be approved. So once your account is approved, you will see this message will change to your account is approved. So before, as we are waiting for our account to be approved, we need to create some ad units. So what I will do is this. I'll click on this app. Once I click on this app, it will show me the app overview. Now I don't have any ad units. Now it is, most apps used to have banner ad, intersister ad, and sometimes reward ad. So let me just create all these in case anyone that you don't need, you just forget about it. But I want to create the whole tree in case if somebody requested all this from you. So I'll click on create ad unit. I'll click on banner. I'll just name it banner. Then I'll create the ad unit. I'll click on done. I'll create another ad unit again. I'll create intersister. I'll just call it intersister. So what I'll do, I'll just copy the name here so that it should be correct. Then create intersister. Done. So I want to create reward ad unit. I'll click on it again. Now you can use intersister, rewarded intersister, or rewarded. Now if you check, rewarded intersister is on beta. So it means is just a new implementation. It's just a new tech that Google just brought into Admob. So I won't advise you to use it. So you can use rewarded ad, and most at time most developers use rewarded. So click on rewarded and it creates. So this rewarded, now I'll just write rewarded. Now the points, the amount, most developers don't normally make requests from this amount, so you can enter any amount of your choice. Now we'll just enter 20. Now the reward unit, you just enter reward. If this place there's no figure here, if there's no word, nothing is written there, you just write reward by yourself and leave everything to be as it is and create units. Now what I'm doing here now, I'm teaching you how to create all this. So if your developer only requested banner and intersister, you don't need to create rewarded units. So now I want to proceed to create another unit called native ad, because some developers can ask you to submit native. So now I'm going to click on select native. If your developer asks you to send him native ad, this is the native ad. So I just decide to create native ad. It's very easy. I'll just write native. So if you know that what your developer requested from you is not, your developer only requested banner and intersister, you create only banner and intersister. If your developer requested rewarded also, you create rewarded ad also. If he also needs native, you create native. So now as someone that is teaching you, I decided to create all of them so that you will not be confused when your developer asks you to do so. Now there's another one called open ad again. If your developer requested open ad, let me just create the ad unit for open ad, because open ad is now on Admob. So this video is not about explaining what all this thing means, but I'm teaching you according to if your developer requested all these things from you. So I'll click on create open ad. I'll just write open app ad, then create unit. So I'll just click on done. So now if my developer requested only banner and intersister, I don't need to create all these ones. If he requested banner, intersister and native, I don't need to create all these ones. If my developer requested for banner, intersister and reward, it's only banner, intersister and reward that I'll create. Now if I need to copy this ad unit and send to him, now for example, now you just click on this. As you click on this double square, as you click on it, is copied. The ad unit is copied, so you can paste it anywhere you want to paste it for him and send it to him. So another thing, if you say you should send the app ID, you come to this place, you click on app setting, you can see app ID is here. If he asks you for publisher ID, what you do is that you come to setting, click on setting, then click account information, then you see your publisher ID. You can copy it and send it to him. So it's for you now to wait for your Admob account to be approved. So once it's up to 6 hours, this place will change to your account is approved. So before re-ad can start showing up in your ad. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please like the video, share with friends and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.